Hey guys, this is Leah with Trinity of Copy, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a special offer on your Facebook page. Now, this is perfect if you want to do a holiday special, something for just a week or a few days around Christmas. So let's get in here. You're going to want to go to your Facebook page and scroll right down to where you would normally write a post. Now click on Write a Post, and all of these little options will pop up. Say there's all sorts of things you can do on your Facebook. You can put your feelings, you can support a nonprofit, you can have a movie watching party, create a poll, all sorts of things. But today we're going to focus on how to offer a discount. So let's click right here to offer or discount. And it's going to bring up this great little menu where you can customize exactly what kind of offer you want to be sending out to your followers. So first, we're going to pick the offer type. We have lots of different things to choose from. The first is a discount percent. You can have any kind of percent you want, 5% off, 10% off. You can scroll 95% off or free if you want to just give something away. You can have a free shipping discount, a buy one, get one, for example. So spend $100 and get $50 off. You could do spend, let's say, $25 and get $5 off. Really, whatever you want to do and whatever changes you make, they're going to go right down here. So you can kind of get a preview of what people are going to see once you post this. Now the next is going to be buy something, get something. Buy two, get one, 10% off. Buy one, get one free. You could also do just a straight up discount amount, which can be good for certain products. You can, specify, oh, this is for hats or this is for everything in the store. It's totally up to you, whatever kind of discount amount you want to set. Or you could just customize it. If there's some kind of special offer, you can type that in the offer description. All right, so for this one, I'm going to go down to spend a certain amount and get a certain amount off. I'm going to do spend $25, get 5 off. And my item is this adorable little hat for kids. So let's say that you're a craftsman, you have a lot of stock you want to get rid of for Christmas, get some extra money, buy those last minute Christmas presents for your friends or family members. So we're going to want to put in a cute little catchy title, because the title and the description, these are very important. People are going to see the dollar amount, the spend something, get something. That's really going to be the first thing to catch their eye. The second thing to catch their eye is going to be the title. So for this one, let's do something fun like Pot Pops. Pot Pops. And then hats for kids. All right. So we have our title. We have our certain amount off. That's going to catch people's eye. Now we have to decide how long we want the promotion to run for. So here we have an expiration date, and it's very important to pick an expiration date because you don't want someone to be scrolling around, looking through all of your things, 3-4 months down the line and see this offer and think, wow, their Christmas offer is still going on. I better take advantage of that. That's not good. And then you tell them, oh, well, that was only seasonal. And they get mad and things just kind of go downhill from there. So we're going to pick an expiration date. So let's say this is just a Christmas promotion for the week of Christmas. Let's have it end on Sunday the 30th at 12 o'clock a.m. Ooh, come here, a.m. There you go. That's going to make it a lot simpler and more streamlined. Now down here, you can choose whether you want something to be just online or just in store. So this can also be a really great way to pull people in to your brick and mortar store. Someone sees this offer online and they decide that they want to buy it, but they have to come to your store, well, that brings extra exposure, of course, to not only the products that they're wanting to buy, but to everything else in the store as well. The same applies to online stores. So it's really up to you whether you want your focus to be on the brick and mortar side of things or on your online site. And you can also do both. So for this one, I'm going to pick in-store. Now, whenever you pick in-store or online, you can add a promo code. This can be whatever you want, as long as you've set it up on your website or you've discussed with your employees what the promo code is in your store so people don't get confused. But make your own little promo code. So let's write POT is our promo code. And now we have different call to action buttons. We can hit send a message. We can hit get directions. And now this is important for mine because I hit in store. If people see that this is just for in store, they're going to want to know where I'm located and where they need to go. So I hit in store. You could also hit call now if you want people to, get more information about something. Say that rather than a clothing company, you have a consulting agency and you're wanting people to call in to get more information so you can talk to them directly and close a sale. Call now would be the way to go. Or you can just have save. If people are scrolling, they're looking through family pictures, they don't necessarily want to buy something while they're on Facebook, but they think it's interesting, you can give them that save option. But for my promotion, I'm going to just hit get directions since I did choose in store. And then I'm going to go down. And the last thing you want to do is add a description. Now, again, like I said before, the description is very, very important. The first thing that they're going to see is going to be the dollar amount, the picture and the dollar amount. The second is going to be the title, which is very briefly, here's what the product is. And finally, their eye is going to drift up to the product description. They're going to want to know, well, spend 25, get 5 off. That's a good deal, but do I still want to spend $20? What makes this product interesting? So this is your space to really sell them on your product. Tell them why they need to go to your store, why they need to click on the link, why they need to make that next action to lead to a sale. This is your area to write really interesting, eye-grabbing copy and run with it from there. Now, the final thing you want to do is either publish it, which will make your offer active immediately, or you can schedule it. You can hit this little arrow right here, hit schedule offer. Now this is really good. Like I said before, we're wanting to do this for the week of Christmas. So I don't want this to go active right now because today's only the 10th. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the 23rd. So that'll give people a whole week, Sunday to Sunday. And again, we're going to do 12 o'clock a.m. And then we're going to hit schedule and away it goes. All right, now it's scheduled, it's flying away, it's on Facebook, and it'll pop up at the time and the date that you want it to pop up on. It's going to have all the information you put in there. Now, if in that time before it schedules, you want to make changes, that's fine. All you have to do is scroll down and see right here, it says one scheduled post. Scheduled for Sunday, December 23rd at 12 a.m. If you want to make changes, just click See Post. All right, and then it's going to take you to your publishing tools. And see, here's our post right here. Gives you a little picture so you know which one you're clicking on. And it gives you a preview. Now, this is a desktop preview. You can also look at a mobile preview. And if you want to edit it, it's very simple. Just hit edit. So here we go. That's everything. Our post is all ready to go. Edit it if you need to. Otherwise, you're good to go. So let me know if you have any questions, comments. Just send me a message, leave a comment, and let me know what you want me to go over next time. Because right now I did offer or discount, but we've got a lot of other options in here. We've got a lot of other things you can do with Facebook outside of just these options. So let me know what you want me to do next. And until then, I'll see you next time. All right, bye.